Yeah, Gerinda here also went up to Ladakh solo. Yeah.
He hasn't reached long. We have kidnapped her.
A few moments later.
Perlok ni dan hang ni polat smith mentah but kini ki perlok ki jongi ki ba jui we ni ki snar nyak tuk ki bilai wan nyak keleng-keleng di ba du hang tei bar keju ke por ba di ba mon hang ni iwe ni ki klor nong rai ba pau ha trai ki dai ke mau hi ba mon bar tas ngi don hang ni bikini ki bullet ki tuk hang ni ka bangi wan shao ti wi kong hang tei ban po Manipur. Okay, this is the beautiful young lady Miss Gerinda from Manipur. She is here. You're going through Meghalaya to the entire northeast for her ride.
So my ride is all about cancer. I dedicate this ride to all the cancer warrior and the cancer survivor out there.
And she'll be covering the entire northeast. And how many states have you covered so far? Three states, yes. And she started on the 1st of April, and now she's in Shillong. And we'll be taking her around and of course ride along with her. So she has that beautiful bike there, and we also have a few of us here, and we're going to Laitlum, show her a beautiful place. Ini kong ide iban na po Manipur. Kani ka ride ka jongi ka day.
Subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yes, oh yes, she has a YouTube channel.
Gerinda subscribe my YouTube
Yes,
channel.
I'll keep the link down in the description. She came solo, and she's been riding solo rides across the country. And she has completed so many rides. And do check all those awesome videos from her channel, okay? Ini kong iwan marway na keleng ka India ila dewan ban ride na bike bat matas ni don hani Shillong. But kawai bakam stanat kalong ba iwan ni dapat ka daw ba mata kalong dapat ka ni Jepang cancer Jepang bampang but dakata ka jing tmu dakata ka jing ka kubor right ya kani ka notice borok away mo dapat singin lit Shah Laitlum but ba mon hantay yes with ba jui hali ba di ba dur haju ko por
Si kamu kulai.
kulai khamra ka indri kham expected ban nai kajing sang shuan no taman shuan ni kenu tama 5 man vanili guys na to show you know kan. Makasih belap. Aslam jumpa Laitlum syuk.
Itu nak Nabi orang luas. Kadang mau ayat baca cerita dia orang wandang sebahat ya orang sini tu surat mentala. Yeah, you know the movie Rock On? It was shot here.
Rock On Part 2.
Part 2.
Nanti have she too kalau di Rock On. If you know about mon. Bawan kan ningkong sini kani hang ni ngidang yo ban yat kali. Mentah hang ni mi yat syuk. Hi orang ni kesin ke ningkong ya fi mo.
Menurut kau yang apa sini?
Tinre ka kam sungi bakal apai. Tinre tang mai 4 pai mo. La long na kumta. Ka kam ka sap sungi tak apai. Ha? La sama. As fama. Kani di Laitlum. Lagi break memperjumpai dengan preview di Laitlum. Ba khap sra shu ni kalau bai don bi ti kong han te. Te sngo pumut pumat ban iyo bani wani lam cash ni mo. Lum ba mon. Ka biang ma ta ka sengi da sengi.
Kaila dek kepleng.
Kan. Balik kan perkhat non trai dan beriu di tang mangi. Ma ba chui kan ya kan ni jing ya nanti juni kong ni.
So biang hi tang ba.
Pi lo pi kadan jing kende ba pin le lang ma pi kum ni.
Sei le hi ma hoi sima.
Mo.
Long mai pedal la.
Ta kan de berkat pi te kente marwe.
Kan ini katik baroh extend not easy right.
Hai. Bro wi adalah bro wi kan not is ka thang ste lam ya marwe. Te
Pen biang sang ka kos bang ni right.
kadai kan. Tengah kencu.
Right nomor untuk dai.
Hai katar kadai. Maka wi kadai ban kadadan ka kos te kadadan ka daw ba. Silendat ban piwan man right kum ni stunat sngu eat sngu ya ban pertu hi ngatrai ki kentei khasi jing kom ni.
Buan bi right dan tai.
Kila ya bun ba. But
Kita salih ate.
try na ni shakmat try kan ni kan long ka jangan sim na ta jong ki rider nang ni na po jala ni kanang ba lis la kum no kamut de ki mi nang ni na jala ni gin kam so sarong kam so kan mo mangi ru
Main kendiat.
ma senrang ni tu labun ma te ya ling go ini mi lo mantan ni la lum la wan ilam kai ti kong han ni pe ting te kan ni ga lenti ya lenti jung ka hang ni ha Meghalaya ka ditang manta arsngi be Shah Ilami ke ngatrai ka loki ki bustanat nakaliang di bile kum kani ka right taru with kentei moroi mo nang ni ngin mi ngili swasti serap leng nang tu ng selam knyat tuk tak ki linti knyat ngani shot rumah knyat nang tu ngin selit nya sesena lo perlo yes kelo paman yes long gum no kata kakit dia nga paman tinghala sesko kham kit ye ya Dong ini mi ani na po Laitlum na kalau i busnat menta ngilayo banuan le kubur iti kong sepe ni kubur Meghalaya mo layo pering di ba mo nang ni. Hanai ka di hapor apleng but dari niwi boba iblawan ban pesunga nyingi ni hapor hey terus noli ketang noli massage no konjin noli chodo udah kamleran kan baru I think yes
A few moments later.
رين الخيل تشد الحيل تفر ويل حوافرها نجوم الليل الثاني ميل بحر الصيد تفترها للحسون اعطيت سنون وعلنا فيون
Garna. So we have very few lady bikers from the state, from Shah, and not many who are doing the solo ride like you are doing. What advice would you give them while you there in the highway alone? Yeah, Garna here also went up to Ladakh solo.
First, physical and the mental health is more important. So you have to have a strong mentality.
Yes.
Like confident you can do it, and I know you can do it.
What made you go to Ladakh?
It was my dream place after I started riding a bike. So I promised myself that I will go one day, and I done it recently.
I also wanted to go there. It's
Let's
my
go
dream.
there
But
as a biker.
sadly, I'm a bit scared though, going alone. No, how did you get this courage of going?
It's
Yeah.
easy. You have to contact each and every hotel or things like
Yeah.
I have contacted to send over here like that.
Yeah. Yes.
We don't have to scare
Yeah.
going out and riding alone.
Yes.
One call,
Yes. One
one
call.
phone call.
Everything is
Fine.
done, arranged. Yeah, but I'm really inspired. Yeah, the way you took up. I mean, from your family, are
They
they
supported
supportive?
me. Yeah, my mom and my dad and my sister, my brother. They supported me
I see. Okay.
financially. I'm just a student. How can I have?
Oh, so what are you doing now?
Yeah, I have completed my master
In
psychology.
Oh, lovely. Oh, I see. Miss Gernda here, she's a very very khatarnak rider. She rides everywhere. Oh, so nice. And she also did a reel with us just now. Just make sure you check that reel out. And yes, follow her Instagram page also. She has an Instagram page.
Laitlum.
Yes, and you'll find all of the updates from her ride. She'll put up there, and wish her good luck and safe journey.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So this is a token of love and friendship from our side, and brotherhood and sisterhood.
Safe journey. Thank you.
What about mine?
Oh yeah, us also. She
Oh, she has a what? Okay.
From my side.
Her logo is here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It hasn't reached too long. We have kidnapped her to see.
Yes.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like
Ini gede ke Laitlum cuts. Thay tanya baik. Klemnya tar la thay. Sebenarnya lite. Baman. Phi la kanu kum tu klanya baik mana.
Đang sẵn là thế. Ấu arjar. Kuwait.
Jar kuwe. Iti kongthei dang nya baik arjar puar. Pila pila dak. Sesuliran.
Kasih suka nak.
Tama sisa. Kani kerukam le ni kong te habi pertun ki omno na baman.
Takan.
Nomor ka men sim hati ki wadingi shenrang ro ka men sim te khatam le kanole ki kongthei. Na nomor ngi bana super khat tu benong ban le ki jaka benong bajengai le te benong. Kowe khtim thlet. Kowe ka osi ka kalinti singkin lor la subul di jaka berak mali te tip hiru te nut hiru benong ban le skan ke. Yen ri te perkhati wan marwei kongthei.
Satar siapa dah?
Satar. Jing Shah ki nga kentu jur di ki long kami jongi ki thei samla ro ko portili dang sudep ME. Dos. Ngaso ngapor no sudep MD nga aspor khalbi ka kam no. Ki hap ban ya long slur kumi mdri beslur bobi ro ndri kumte perkhapi
Haptip kan?
oh haptip hai.
Sur haptip dulu.
Hab danang de la village habayar da thau taman rei kejing long osi slur mensim sungi de nong yu shu tip ngan le nga kai tip kebangan le trai marwei tip
Jangan tak kini jam dulu kita.
kininya palinya sai so finally we're here. I think this is the last stop for us. Tamna na bado.
Malayam will be the last stop.
Oh, Malayam will be last stop. Okay, we'll have lunch on the way, and Grinda here must be hungry, and she's having popcorn. And I wish you all the best, and from all our team members, from Sons of the Hills, we wish you all the best and a safe journey. Please go and subscribe to her channel to hear and see a lot of these incredible riding stories. I'm pretty sure you must have kept the Ladakh trip also.
Yeah,
video.
yeah.
How do you like Meghalaya so far?
I like the weather and the places.
Oh, you're missing the rain now. Let it rain once, then you'll get a different experience altogether. Anyway, the perlok komisi bol piye no pasang no bakot inge trang in penkun atau hang ni dan hang ni borok hai iba tipsu iba juwi hintai badu hang ni bad kumju iba mon hang ni Bat ngin senang ikendu susu kirait prepare di senang page ini video pengi le. Bat ngasa tablo iku video pengi wan sunagalan bat kini keju hi ke tim. Te ngin nang permi nang ni sekamat. Bat sepet ki ba itnat ki ngin pengi tu video mo. Sisien kumle shibon. Ta sikendu perbi we ba kapor kumle shibon perlok.
I think that we've all had enough.